So I got this 150. It's basically like the Tower of Power. You know, it's a 1500. So that's the, you know, the 1500s, and there's a 1500 XS. There's a, I don't know. Anyway, timing. If you don't know the timing, like this one didn't have a timing porter, so I had to go find a timing porter. So now it's got a timing porter. Anyway, that was missing. I installed a dial indicator. My dial indicator doesn't read enough. Like, it needs to be. Anyway, so 0.464 is not much. These, I think they changed this over the few years, you know. So anyway, you can see over here it says 464 top dead center, but we got it in the number one piston, and that won't line up way over there. So, but you got 3 dots, and that's the timing pointer. These are pretty common. I mean, you see them a lot. So, and notice it's got 2 lines, and it's got a 21 degrees up here, and then 27 degrees up there. And anyway, they got marks for you. So we want to line, to make this simple, we got to find top dead center. So I use a dial indicator to kind of help me, you know, but I can find. Anyway, there's like top dead center, and then anyway, you'll notice, okay, this is not on, so we got to go back 0.464, and but anyway, we're gonna line up this with the very center of this distributor, so they kind of made it easy, you know. Anyway, we're gonna get that lined up right dead center, and then we're gonna line our arrow to those 3 dots, and then we're also gonna line this little notch to here, so they're really, you know, they're kind of dead on. And then, so if you notice, we're right there, and then, so that's on this tooth. So we're probably really super close. And if you notice, then we're going to adjust this area. Well, you don't have more play here, so then it's lining up with this 2 degrees or so. But you know, if we're top dead center, look at our arrow now, we're at 0. That's absolute top dead center. So then we just need to time it, put our cover back on, and when we fire it up, it'd be in time. But yeah, that's the easy way. I think must have been like Mercury was having problems with mechanics having to line this stuff up or something, and so I guess they made it a little more simple, like, hey, there's your mark, here's a mark here, you know, here's a mark there. And it does say, like, if this is a little off, see, like, this seems like to the left, it says counterclockwise, you know, slightly counterclockwise. So counterclockwise this way, but on the flywheel would be counterclockwise would be this way, clockwise would be this way. So on here, clockwise is going this way, counterclockwise would be one back. So like if you see mine, this is a good example because mine's lined up here just slightly to the left of the 3 dots, and then that lines up with these 2 guys, right? But if we're at real top dead center, while looking at my dial indicator, I can find top dead center. And then if I look over here, look at my timing pointer, I'm right on that 0 mark. It'll be you see that. But see, like, that's absolute, you know. But I need a better timing point or a dial indicator, because mine doesn't go fine enough. Anyway, that sets the timing for the distributor in this, so we're going to have to set the timing for the carburetors. And but I wanted to show you guys that, because I don't know, it can be a little, you know, thing. It's like, if you read the book, it tells you one thing, it doesn't make sense. If you got these, it makes it a lot easier, because it tells you where everything is, and so you don't have to go chasing yourself trying to, you know. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys soon.